Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline Marie. Today's video is super exciting because I have got a few new updates around the house to show you. First up, we're checking out all the gorgeous new light fixtures that my husband already installed, and also he will be installing 2 more light fixtures. Plus, I will be giving you a mini tour of the home to show you some of the new furniture I just added. And of course, since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I couldn't resist adding some cute festive decor to get us in the mood for love. So let's dive in. Today I'm taking you through a little home tour to share some exciting updates. But first, I just had to show you the final 2 light fixtures my husband is installing in the loft and the guest room. For the loft, we're installing this very cute wicker lighting. I'm planning to put a L-shaped sofa and a TV so we can come upstairs and lounge and watch TV. I'm so happy on how it turned out. In the next video, I'm planning to decorate the loft, so if you have not subscribed yet, please take some time to subscribe so you will not miss how I decorate the loft. And now we're moving to the guest room. In the guest room, we have a beautiful lantern light in wrought iron. This guest room is also a blank slate. I sold the furniture from my previous guest room to the people who bought our house in Massachusetts, so I will be buying new furniture for this room to make it a very cozy guest room. I also love how this light fixture turned out. Please let me know what you think about this very cute light fixture. Now let's head out downstairs to show you some of the other updates, starting with the porch. To greet the guests that come to the house, I added this very cute garden flag and some beautiful flowers, hearts, and colorful decor to make it cozy and cheerful. I also added these very cute gel clings that look beautiful when I turn the lights on at night. Next, let's head inside and check out the foyer decor. I started decorating the foyer, but I still have some boxes that I still need to unpack. So just don't look at them and just look at the beautiful chest with the decor that is on the top of the chest. These beautiful flowers are from Hobby Lobby. Now let's head out to the mudroom. Here in the mudroom, I have added some festive Valentine's decor. This drop of zone is all about function. What I wanted to make is feel extra cozy too. On the shelves, I placed some green garland and scattered a few little heart-shaped accents and Valentine envelopes. It's the perfect little touch when you first walk in. I also added some lavender bunch and tulips to bring in a bit of springtime freshness. Moving on to the dining room and kitchen, let's take a look at the Valentine's decor in those spaces. But first, let's take a look at the light fixtures that my husband already installed. This is the light fixture for the dining room. This light fixture is from Pottery Barn. Because I have a black wrought iron light fixture in the foyer, I wanted to complement these lights, but at the same time, I didn't want them matchy-matchy. So it was a very good match finding this light and also the lights that you will see in the kitchen and the living room. For the dining room table, I'm using this very cute table runner that is from Amazon. I love the red and white stripes. I use this cake stand to make this flower arrangement The flowers are from Hobby Lobby, and the donuts in the shape of hearts are from Home Goods, and I scattered around some Valentine envelopes and hearts. To finish the decor, I added some beautiful candlesticks in red. Now let's take a look at the hutch decor. For the hutch, I used this tier tray and I put these beautiful red glasses that they were from my mother. The little sign is from Walmart, and the kitchen towels are from IKEA and Home Goods. I added these very cute ramekins that are also from Home Goods, and I complemented with these beautiful wood strawberries that I got in Costa Rica many years ago. On the other side, I added these beautiful plates with red roses, and on top I put these very beautiful red pomegranates that are from Spain. In this corner, I added this very beautiful wicker basket that is from IKEA, and I added some greenery, some delicate baby's breath, and very pretty white and pink flowers. We moved into this house about 2 weeks ago, and slowly we have been unpacking and decorating. As you can see, we don't have window cover yet, but I already ordered and it will be here in about 5 weeks. Because we don't have a formal dining room, I wanted this cafe section looking more relaxed. In order to do that, I bought this jute rug to make this dining room less formal. Now I'm going to turn the camera around and go to the kitchen. These tools are for Nathan James. I bought them online and my husband also assembled them. Before we take a look at the Valentine's decor in the kitchen, I want to show you the beautiful pendant lighting that I have over the kitchen island. These pendant lights are from Pottery Barn and I'm obsessed with them. They're so gorgeous. Now let's take a look at the Valentine's decor. In the kitchen island, I kept it very minimal. I added this very cute little house that is from Hobby Lobby, and I also complemented the decor with this beautiful picture that has some eucalyptus, some delicate flowers, and a Valentine's heart. For the oven and microwave area, I got this very cute kitchen towel that I got at Stonehenge. On this side of the counter, I added my red electric mixer and complemented with some Valentine decor and some kitchen utensils. One of the projects that we have for this kitchen is doing the kitchen backsplash. So please make sure that you're subscribed so you will not miss when we do this kitchen project. Behind the stove, I added this pizza peel and this cutting board that says Live, Love, Laugh. On the other side of the counter, I created this very cute vignette using red and white decorations. Now that we finished with the kitchen tour, let's talk about the new living room furniture, which I have been so excited to show you. First, let me show you this beautiful chandelier that is from Pottery Barn. It complements beautifully not only in the living room but also with the other light fixtures around this room. For this area, we picked some beautiful pieces, including the Pottery Barn slipcover sofa and the coffee table. And also, we picked some beautiful wicker chairs and a glider from another stores that are in the area that we live. This beautiful rug is a washable rug from Tumble, and I used the colors on the rug to coordinate all the cushions that I have on the sofa. All these cushions covers are from IKEA. If you have noticed throughout the video, our very cute dog Stella has been following me all the time while I'm filming this video, so please give Stella a big thumbs up. On this wall of the living room we place our piano. This piano has moved quite a while. It moved from Maryland to Massachusetts and then to Florida. Last but not least, let's go outside and take a look at the lanai. The lanai is also a work in process. I just put this rug that is a little bit small and I'm planning on changing it to get a bigger one for this area, and we also use this wicker furniture that we had for many years in our house in Maryland. For the lanai, we have a few projects pending, including setting up this beautiful fountain. I'm filming this video on the first week of February and it's a gorgeous day here in Florida. It's 74 degrees and the water is getting warmer, so soon we're going to be swimming in our brand new swimming pool. And my friend Stella finally sat on her bed. This means that this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. To my current subscribers, thank you so much for joining me on another video. For the new visitors, I hope that you take some time to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss any of the upcoming episodes. I'm Jacqueline Marie and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. I hope that you'll have a fantastic Valentine's Day. See you next time.